Good morning, it is 4:50 right now, and gonna do the Pemi Loop today. Well, at least that was the plan. It's looking pretty windy because of a hurricane.
Got to the top of Bondcliff, it's way too windy.
So we'll see if we get to do a full loop or just the bonds, but either way, should be a good day. Should be fun in the mountains.
Alright, just wrapped up the flat-ish 5-mile approach out here with James, a crusher. Yeah, going up the bonds first. 6 miles in, gonna start the climb soon, but just filtered water out of a little stream. Time to go up. Wow. It's a pretty great view. Just got above tree line and not safe, so we're gonna go back, but already at 8.83, so we'll get a good day of, yeah, we'll be So yeah, bummer that we couldn't get the whole loop in, but those hurricane winds were way too dangerous to keep on going. Went up Bond, was great, got in like 17.5 mile day, 3,300 feet of gain, I think, just under 4 hours, or just over 4 hours. Yeah, good to get in a last trail, like big mountain effort for the year, and I think I'm gonna be transitioning to marathon training now, going back to a training series starting tomorrow for me on Monday. That should be good. Yeah, just wrapping up the weekend, enjoying my buffalo tofu and watching some football while editing the video. But I hope you enjoyed. Definitely going to go out for the Pemi Loop early next year. Very excited. But yeah, I'd love it if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, keep on running. Thank you.